We do balance on 1, balance 2, balance 3, balance 4. And then you will step to a corner, okay? 5, high degree onto down, 6. And then piqué, 7, front foot on 8. And pass it 1 and 2, up on 3 and 4. Turn again, 5 and 6. Break to the front, 7 and 8. So you repeat whole thing again. Okay, so not that hard. Okay, watch me again. You do a 4 balance, right side leg first. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Right side leg step. This pose cannot skip. And then you part degree onto now. Right side leg piqué arabesque. Step forth. You do 1 on the wall turn to the right. Turn you back. Plie. You turn again. Landing sur le pied. So you don't need to go back, go forwards. Okay? And then down. You can go backwards again. Clear? Okay, let's see. Balance. Okay, the turn single or double. Suppose if you want to try challenging yourself to do double turn, it's okay too. Okay, and turn you back. And break. Balance. Balance. Step through the feet. Party break. Arabesque. Down. Pass it turn. And turn you back. Pass it turn. Landing through the feet. Break. Pause. Repeat. Step. High degree out to down. Piqué arabesque. And turn. Turn to. And turn. Sur le pied. Break. And pause.